say consider the following. Consider the following. Consider the following series. So, okay, basically they gave us a sequence and then they say, calculate the sum of the first 25 terms. As I said, they will tell you what kind of a series is this one. And then here, it's a combination and a constant. It's a combination of a geometric and a constant. Now, if you look at this here, we can say which here we have term number 1 again. And then here we can say which we have term number 3. And then we say which here we have term number 5 again. So it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. And then after that, you can use another color and say, okay, but now here, I have term number 2. I'll write it here, this one. This is term number 2. This is term number 4. This is term number 6. So the red one represents our constant. So we have 4, which is followed by 4, which is followed by 4. This is a constant. It's not changing. Can you see that? And then we have the other one, which is blue in color. It says we have 3 all over 4. We have 1 all over 4. And then we have 1 all over 12. Everyone is still happy then? And then they say, calculate the sum of the first 25 terms. We spoke about this. If we're calculating the sum of the first 25 terms of the sequence, it means some of them are going to come from red, some of them are going to come from blue. Okay. Now we just want to know how many are going to come from red. Since this is odd, since we're dealing with an odd number here, this one, it's an odd number. Now, some of them are going to, more of them are going to come from the odd position. And then the others are going to come from blue. How many should come from red? How many should come from red? Agree we're looking for S25. S25 is going to be given by red and blue. So we're going to have S13 of red plus S12 of blue. If you add 13 plus 12, what do you get? 25. Now, if they said calculate the sum of the first 26 terms, how are you going to get that one? They're going to divide each other equal. Okay? It's 26 and what and 20. It's going to be 13 and what and 13. Okay, let's continue with this one then. This one is constant. If this one is constant, it means which my S13 is going to be given as 4 multiplied by 13. Actually, there are 4 by 13. So if you add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, you are going to get 4 multiplied by 13, which is 52. Now, this one, you said it's geometric. Okay? If it's geometric, you are going to look for R. What is your R? It's 1 all over 4 divided by 3 all over 4, which is just 1 over 3. Ne? And then since it's geometric, we're going to use the formula that says Sn is going to be A plus, it's AR to the power of n minus 1, close bracket, all over R minus 1. And then you are going to have A, first term. It's 3 all over 4, open bracket, R. My R, I'm going to put it inside the bracket. It's 1 all over 3 to the power of, we are looking for S12, remember. Okay? So we're going to look for S12. Everywhere we see n, we put 12, minus 1, close bracket, all over 1, all over 3, minus 1. Yes. What we get if we type this in our calculator? What are we getting? Negative 3.25. As a fraction, what do you get? Do you get it as a fraction? Okay, let me type it myself. So you have 3 all over 4, open bracket, fraction 1 all over 3, close bracket, to the power of 12, minus 1, close bracket, 1 all over 3, minus 1. You're getting my error? 1,12. Yeah, if you round it off to 2 decimal place, remember they usually say round off to 2 decimal place. 1,12. 1,12. 1,12. Okay, sharp. Then what is going to be our S25 then? Our S25 is going to be equaling to 52 plus 1,12 is going to be equaling to 53,12. Yeah, then you can do the rest then.